Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to change scroll effects on this device. So like when you scroll between your screens on your home screen, you can change this scrolling effect. Just go to the home screen settings like this, swipe your fingers, like when you try to zoom in photo, yeah, you make it like this, and when you want to zoom out, you just make it like this. And that's how you can access these settings. Just go to the transition and you can change its animations here. For example, now I have default. You can set it to be perspective, and then it works like this. You can set it to be squeeze, and it's like this. And you can set it to be like box. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.